Do you know that being intelligent and proving yourself intelligent are two completely different things? There are many people in the world who pretend to be foolish on purpose for their long-term benefit. Today's story will completely change your way of thinking. This story will teach you how staying silent and focused on your real goal is more important than getting temporary applause. So, let's begin the story. There was a well-known real estate company owner in the city named Mr. Chowdhury. He was very rich, but he had a strong sense of pride. He thought he was smarter than everyone else and enjoyed making others look foolish. Under his office, there was a small tea shop where an orphan boy named Raju worked. Every day after lunch, Mr. Chowdhury came downstairs and played a strange game with Raju in front of his friends and colleagues. He would call Raju and hold two banknotes in front of him. One was a shiny new 10 taka note, and the other was an old, crumpled 500 taka note. He would say to Raju, "Raju, you can take any one of these notes. Choose whichever you like, it'll be yours." Every day, without any hesitation, Raju smiled and picked the shiny 10 taka note. He never even touched the 500 taka note. Seeing this, Mr. Chowdhury and the others laughed loudly. Mr. Chowdhury would say, "See how foolish this boy is. He doesn't even understand the value of money. He took the shiny 10 taka and left the 500 taka behind." Raju said nothing. He just took the 10 taka with a small smile and went back to work. Months passed, and then years. This event continued every single day. One day, a new manager joined the office. He was a kind man. He called Raju aside and asked, "Raju, do you really not understand the value of money? Don't you know that 500 taka is worth much more than 10 taka? Why do you act foolish in front of everyone and take only 10 taka every day?" Raju looked around, then took out a clay money bank from his pocket. When he broke it, it was full of 10 taka notes. Raju smiled and said, "Sir, I know very well that 500 taka is worth more than 10 taka. But the day I take that 500 taka note, Mr. Chowdhury's game will stop. He thinks I am foolish, and he enjoys that thought. In exchange for his enjoyment, I get 10 taka every day. Over the past year, by pretending to be foolish, I have saved thousands of taka. But if I had taken 500 taka once, I would only get money one time and never again. For my long-term benefit, pretending to be foolish was the smartest decision." The manager was shocked after hearing this and couldn't help but praise Raju's intelligence. He realized that Raju was not foolish at all. Instead, he was using Mr. Chowdhury's pride to build his own future. So friends, this story teaches us that proving yourself intelligent in front of others is not as important as staying committed to your own goal. People may think you are foolish or crazy, but it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, your results will speak for you. Be patient like Raju and use the right opportunities wisely. If you liked this video, give it a like and share it with your friends so they can watch too. To get more educational stories like this, stay with us. See you in the next video. Until then, stay well and stay healthy.